Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and change your background in Zoom. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the official application right here. You could just go ahead and get this from their official website, which is zoom.us. Now, inside you have to make sure that you have to log in the right account that you want to change your background with. In my case, I already have it logged in right here. And if you want to go ahead and change your background, you can just go ahead and proceed by clicking on your profile icon right here. Inside your profile icon, you could just go ahead and proceed by clicking on settings. It's right above the add account menu. Just go ahead and click on settings. And inside settings, we have things like video, audio, share screen, team chat, Zoom apps, and more. Basically, you could go ahead and edit every setting there is in this menu right here. We could just go ahead and proceed by clicking on the background and effects. Now inside background and effects, you have your virtual backgrounds right here. You have the blur background, the San Francisco background, grass, earth, northern lights, and lastly we have the beach. You can also go ahead and add your own backgrounds by clicking on the plus icon right here. There's also the video filters, avatars, and more. So there you go. That's how you can go ahead and change your background in Zoom. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.